to the Medit website to download the program. Then choose the appropriate program for your operating system. That's either Windows or Macintosh. Click the download and then be patient. It is a rather large file. The download will take some time because it's a very large file. You will find the download in the default download folder. The Medit link installation is there. Click it and follow the prompts to install. After installation, open the Medit link program. You will need to register a new case, a new patient, essentially. For this exercise, we will name the patient Test Installation. There are some default applications pre-installed. These are the collections of icons at the top right. We need one of these applications to be the Medit Model Builder. In this exercise, the app is already installed, but I will show you how to update the program, which is the same as installing. For most new installation, Medit Model Builder is not a default icon. Find the add box on the left side of the screen. Click it to launch the add box, which is where the collection of applications for Medit Link are kept. Find and click on the Medit Model Builder to install the app. When you return to Medit Link, you will have installed or updated to the latest version of Medit Model Builder. You will have now completed the second of the 3 preparatory tasks to start Series 1 course. There are a few other resources you can watch in preparation. Please play around with this program as much as you like. Remember, practice makes perfect.